a bedroom, but he did not know where it came from. It came from a bedroom, it came from a bird. Oh. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Hey, bedroom and a bird. Oh, your turn.
You've ruined it for
Oh,
that's why it's fun. Because it's fun.
bedroom bird.
Bedroom bird.
Go. Have you ever seen a badger with wings? No. I have. It's really high, high in the sky.
Oh man, I miss this.
Oh man.
Look, she's coming under the radar. She hit me.
Under the radar.
Oh god.
Okay, go again.
Friendly neighborhood walkers.
Go again. There are people walking on the road. They don't know where they're going. Where they're going, I don't know. How you doing? I'm doing good. Good. Well, long now. There was a badger with two wings, and it didn't know where to go, but what he decided to say was to the badger with no wings, I can fly, fuck you. 1, 2, 3, 4, get it again now. 2, 4, 6, 8, sitting in his chair, Blair, Tony Blair has no hair except a little bit here and a little bit. Oh man. Oh.
He's really
Luke, you just missed out on the greatest piece of comedy the world's ever seen.
Woo! Should we go inside anymore?
Fuck